Did you know why some people remember dreams better than others? Have you ever woken up with a vivid dream still fresh in your mind while someone else barely recalls anything? And some even insist that they never dream at all. Well, it turns out that everyone dreams, but not everyone remembers. So, why do some people remember their dreams very clearly while others forget them the moment they wake up? Let's find out. Our dreams mostly happen during the rapid eye movement or REM stage of sleep. During this time, our brain is highly active, as if you're almost awake. People who wake up during or after REM sleep are most likely to remember the dreams. But if you transition smoothly into a deep sleep or wake up long after the dream ends, the memories of it can fade before you even realize that you had one. The prefrontal cortex, the part of our brain responsible for logical thinking and reasoning, is much less active during sleep. This is one of the reasons why dreams often feel bizarre and disjointed. But for some people, this area remains slightly more active than others, making it easier for them to recall dream memories. Research suggests that people who frequently remember their dreams have greater spontaneous brain activity in areas related to attention and awareness, both while asleep and awake. Personality also plays a role in dream recall. Studies show that people who are more imaginative, introspective, and emotionally sensitive remember their dreams better. This could be because they naturally pay more attention to their thoughts and emotions even during their sleep. Additionally, strong emotions, whether excitement, fear, or anxiety, can make dreams more memorable. If you experience highly emotional dreams, your brain is more likely to store them in long term. How you wake up matters too. If you wake up suddenly to a loud alarm, your brain may not have enough time to process and store dream memories. On the other hand, if you wake up naturally or spend few minutes thinking about your dream after waking up, can increase your chances of remembering it. Keeping a dream journal also helps. Writing down whatever fragments you remember, even if it's just a feeling or an image. It trains your brain to recall dreams more often. Over time, this practice can significantly improve your dream memory. So the next time you wake up, try to stay still for a moment and recall your dream before jumping out of bed. You might be surprised at what you remember. That was it for today. This is Nida Mehraj and you are watching Deccan Chronicle.